This Model Y, there's a windshield wiper on the steering wheel, so just push on it, it'll wipe, and because it's no longer on the stock here, it's just for turn signal only. That one for turn signal, left and right. And then there's a, I was told by Elijah, there's a button right here. Push on this button right next to the scroll wheel. It allows you to clean the front camera, which is right here. You push on this button. There, you see it. Yep. Go check out the outside of the car. There it is. You see the fluid? See blue fluid? That's where there's the camera. Clean the camera right there. The front camera, bumper camera. Very not too far from the ground. All right. Here's the back.